Are you ready for it? Knew I was a robber, first time that he saw me, stealing hearts and running off and never saying sorry.